Hi everyone, welcome to Mic Drop. Today I'm reviewing the most iconic digital watch of all time, the Casio F-91W, aka the terrorist watch. Yes, you heard me right, but more about that later in the video. It is also known as God tier watch, cult classic, greatest of all time, the most affordable digital watch and whatnot. But one thing is for sure, it is certainly the most popular watch of all time with recorded sales of more than 3 million units per year. And now that's a lot of watches. Priced somewhere around $12 or rupees 1000. It is highly affordable and durable, and it has been in production for the last 35 years. There are millions of proud owners of Casio F-91W, and today I have joined the list. So hold on tight and watch the video till the end as I discover what makes this legendary watch such a cult classic. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is a good time to hit the subscribe button. And while you do that, you can also click on the thumbs up icon to help take this video to more wonderful audience like you. Now before I move on to the main review, let me show you the unboxing. The box label mentions the India model number D002, MRP of Rs 1095, and that it is produced in Thailand. Once you slide the top cover and open the box, you will find the F91W nestled neatly in its packaging. It is a simple looking watch with a retro charm about it. The rectangular display lets you instantly know that it is a Casio. Also inside the box, you will get a warranty card with a 2-year warranty extendable by 6 months on registration. There is a comprehensive user manual in different languages to help you learn how to start and operate the watch. Attached to the watch, a tag tells you about the model and the module number. This is the F91W 1Q. It fits comfortably on my 6.5-inch wrist, and let me tell you, it is extremely light. The F91W is available in many colorways, all ranging from 1000 to 1500 rupees. But amongst all of them, the 1Q or the blue trim version remains the most popular. Although endorsed by US President Obama and many celebs, it became infamous when Osama bin Laden was seen wearing it. Due to their ability to be used as timers for improvised explosive devices, a tactic favored by Al Qaeda, the Casio F91W digital watch was declared to be the sign of Al Qaeda. Hence it got the moniker the terrorist watch. Designed by Ryusuke Moriai, the Casio F91W was first introduced in June 1989, and nearly 35 years hence, it still reigns as one of the most loved digital watches in the world. It has a true cult following, especially amongst those looking for an affordable, reliable, and accurate daily beater. When you think of a digital watch, most likely you will think of the F91W, simple yet functional. At first look, the watch looks very simple and relatively small, but it is incredibly light at 21 grams. The F91W is essentially made of durable resin, and the only metal you get to see is the use of stainless steel for push buttons and back cover. The back case is secured by small screws featuring some basic details like the model and the module number and the country of origin. The watch is operated by 3 metal pushers which allow you to go through setting, time, date, alarm, stopwatch functions with ease. The resin straps, although plain, are extremely comfortable, making the watch easy to wear all day and even while sleeping. They are soft, lightweight, and breathable, making the watch great for workouts as it doesn't trap sweat. The watch dimensions are lug to lug 38 mm, case width of 34 mm, thickness at 8.5 mm. The entire dial layout is very retro and plain. There is a lot of text printed on this watch, like the brand name, the model name, alarm chronograph, light, mode, and of course, water resist. The LCD display is bright and clear, easily readable from different angles, even in direct sunlight. The acrylic glass is shatter resistant, but it is not scratch proof, so it will pick up marks over time. But at this price point, that's hardly a deal breaker. The backlight, however, is a big letdown. The watch uses a green LED light located at the left of the display. Its almost non-existent illumination barely makes the hour column visible in absolute darkness. Behind the screwed stainless steel back lies a reliable Casio F-91W module. Powering the quartz movement is a single CR2016 lithium button cell,
which typically lasts for 7 years. It additionally boasts of an accuracy of plus minus 30 seconds per month. The F-91W has a chronograph featuring precision of 1 by 100 seconds with a count up to nearly an hour. The chronograph is also able to mark net and split times. Other features include an hourly time beep and a single daily alarm lasting 20 seconds and an annual calendar. The watch does not make allowances for leap years as there is no provision to record the year. Due to this, the month of February is always counted as 28 days. The watch is 30-meter water resist, which means it is suitable for everyday use, not suitable for showering, bathing, swimming or snorkeling. However, I have heard of many stories where people claim they went swimming wearing it and nothing happened to the watch. The watch is controlled by 3 side-mounted push buttons. The upper left button, labeled light, turns on the light, cancels the alarm, resets the stopwatch or marks the split or lap time, and is used for selecting settings. The lower left button, labeled mode, cycles the modes of the watch: time, display, alarm, stopwatch, and time date adjustment. The right button, labeled alarm on off 24 hours, is the function button. When used, it starts and stops the stopwatch, changes the setting currently being adjusted, or switches between the 12 and the 24-hour modes, depending on what mode the watch is currently in. Pressing all three buttons at the same time will fill all the cells of the LCD until any button is pressed again. Despite its low price tag, the F-91W is also a highly counterfeited watch. Hence, it is very important to check its originality. The most common ways to check that are: press the right button for a few seconds. If Casio appears on the display, it is genuine. If not, you have just received a fake F-91W. And the other tried and tested method to check the authenticity is to press all the buttons simultaneously. If all the cells get filled, it is genuine. However, some fake Casios are nowadays also able to do the above. So as per me, the best way to find the authenticity is to register your purchase when you receive the watch. Do it on the Casio website with the serial number given on the watch. Only genuine Casio watches will get registered. Lastly, let me tell you a few pros and cons of the watch. Pros first. The low price tag makes it very easy to own and you don't have to worry if you lose or damage it. You can just replace it with a new one. The size is another plus. It is perfectly proportioned to fit all wrist sizes, even slimmer ones. Then there is the lightweight, which makes it extremely comfortable. You can easily wear it throughout the day. And as far as the cons are concerned, well, there's only one: the feeble backlight. While it technically works, it barely lights up the entire display. At best, you can see the hour column. Having said that, I have come to accept that this con now only adds to the charm of the F-91W.
So my final words about the Casio F-91W are that it is extremely comfortable and light as a feather. Granted that most of it is made out of resin, there are times that you'll even forget that you have a watch on. It is perfect for all wrist sizes, and for comparison, this is how it sizes next to the A1200. I am very impressed by the simplicity of this watch. I mean, no complicated functions or buttons. It is highly user friendly and makes for the perfect daily beater. And I mean, it's really the everyman's watch. No wonder so many people across the world own one. So, should you buy one? Well, most definitely, if you're looking for a simple, functional, and an affordable daily use watch, this is the watch to go for. It is also ideal for students or first time watch buyers, and no watch collection is ever going to be complete without having one of these. Casio has recently introduced the new F-91W in minimalistic avatar, so this is the right time for you to get this version before it gets phased out. It will be like wearing part of history on your wrist. It is currently available on the Casio India online shop at a discounted price of Rs 986. For those interested, I will leave the buy link in the description below. You can check it out. For viewers outside India, you can check out the official Casio website for purchase. That brings me to the end of today's review. Thank you for watching. If you found it useful, do give me a like. And if you are new to the channel and like watching product reviews, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about future video uploads. Also, don't forget to comment and let me know what you thought about the Casio F-91W and if you own one. I'm Siddharth and I will see you next time with another interesting product review. Take care.